Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to englimia.com. In the series of how to improve your grammar, today we are going to discuss another part of speech, and that is preposition. Well, the use of preposition is a bit tricky because it needs a lot of practice and you have to focus the context. I mean, to understand them better, you have to know its context. Let's see how many types of prepositions are there. Preposition of time, place, and direction. Preposition of time, it tells you when something is happened. Location means preposition of place, and it means where something is happening or where something has happened. And direction, in which direction. Well, basically prepositions do not have their own meanings. They have to understood in context. And there is no proper rule to use them. ये बात आपने याद रखनी है कि कोई प्रॉपर रूल नहीं है इंग्लिश में जिससे आपको पता चल जाए कि preposition का यूज़ कैसे करना है. So the best strategy is to understand in context. Let's see the examples. In, on, at, for, of, by, with, under, beside, behind, beneath, to, from, within, of, near, far, upon, and so on. Now we are going to focus on a few of them which are extensively used in our daily routine. We are going to discuss preposition in as preposition of time. In जो है उसको हम preposition of time में भी discuss करेंगे और preposition of place में भी करेंगे. इसी तरह हम on लेंगे, on को भी हम as preposition of time भी लेंगे और preposition of place भी लेंगे. इसी तरह at है, at को भी as preposition of time भी देखेंगे और preposition of place भी देखेंगे. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया है, context में इसको understand करना है. in जो preposition है उसको हम seasons, decades, years और इसी तरह time जो है उसको बताने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. This incident happened in 1984. So the year has been discussed. I usually sleep in the afternoon. Afternoon is a time. She goes to the office in the morning. In the morning. My brother will visit in December. Okay? So in all these examples, we can see that the time has been discussed. 1984, afternoon, morning, December. Now see in as preposition of place. She is sitting in the car. They are working in the office. I have placed my books in the box. The bird is chirping in the tree. In all these examples, we can see that in is something that is inside. Whether it's preposition of time or place. Car, in the office, in the box, in the tree. Now see preposition at as preposition of time. So at is used for specific or exact time. जब आपने किसी specific time की बात करनी है तो आपने at का इस्तेमाल करना है. At night, at the moment, present, at present, at 3 p.m. or at the end. Our discussion will be finished at 9 p.m. My teacher has planned to complete the course at the end of this month. I have been working on this project at the moment. Alright, you could see on this project at the moment. So at is used for specific time. Now we are going to see preposition at as preposition of place. Let's see the examples through which you could understand them better. Usman is waiting at the bus station. They stayed at a hotel in summer vacations. In is another preposition, but we are not focusing it at this time. At a hotel. I study linguistics at university. Or I study linguistics at school. I study linguistics at college. You have to stop at the shop. Alright? So you could see the places like bus station, hotel, university and shop. We use the preposition at. Now we are going to see preposition on as preposition of time. So they usually use with days, with the names of the days. My birthday is on Wednesday. We will meet on Eid Day. She is coming on 15th April. What is your plan to do on weekend? Let's see preposition on as preposition of place. They are usually used to show top or flat surface. They show us the position, the right position. For example, there is an ancient painting on the wall. She is on the mountain. There are spoons on the kitchen shelf. He is on the bus. In the comment box, you could tell us a preposition is used as a preposition of time or place. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.